One of my favorite songs. There you go, guys. Some great tunes. So similar to 1.1, 11.1, 11.2. First two you have to plug into your calculator. If you don't know how to plug into your calculator, you're going to have to come and see me. But I can tell you the keystrokes. First, for this first one, you have to type in 32 first, then go to math. You have to arrow over to probability, and we want C, which is number 3, so you go down to 3, push enter, and then push in 15, push enter again, and you get a very large number. 5, 6, 5, 7, 2, 2, 720. 565,722,720. That would be if I had 32 people and I wanted to pick 15 people to go to the zoo on a bus, and it doesn't matter the order. Next one, again, same type of thing. You type in 8 first, and then you go to math, arrow over to probability, 2 permutation. This would be 40,320. Remember, permutation order matters. So this would be in a scenario, let's say if I had 8 people and I had 7 different prizes to give out. 7 different prizes give out to 8 people, that would be pretty sad. One person would get nothing. Next question is you to decide if it's permutation, combination, or counting principle. So the first one, I have one whole total, I have 20 people. So I have one total, and from those 20 people, I'm picking 3. So this would be permutation or combination. So now I have to decide, does order matter or not? Well, does it make a difference if I was a president, vice president, or secretary? Well, yeah, it would be. So order matters. So there's 20 people. Total should always go first. I'm picking 3. So put that in my calculator. 6,840 different ways to do that. And the last one. You are at the store going to buy some candy to bring to a movie theater. Much cheaper, guys. Save some money. You have 12 different types of candy to choose from, and you're buying 4. Let's say that they all have the same price on it. Buy 3, get 1 free. Let's do it that way. So it doesn't matter. So you have to think, does it matter the order in which you purchase the candy when you bring it into your movie theater? No, it does not matter. You're going to put all of them in your mouth the exact same way, and they're going to be delicious. So you have 12 different candies, and you're picking 4 of them to bring into the movie theater. So there's 495 different ways that you could do that. And that is 11.1, permutation, combination. That's it.